What up, peoples? Welcome back to another video. I am your host, Xavier Spade, here trying to show you some dope stuff to play with and things to do when you want to play with the magics, because that's what I'm teaching here. I'm teaching the magics. I also do other stuff too, which we're going to get into. This video, we're going to be showing you an old trick that always gets people, always. It's called card to mouth. You could do it on your head. You don't have to put it in your mouth because things are weird nowadays. You could do it like that too. It's a lot of fun. I'm going to show you the way I do it. I'm going to show you the way some other people do it. And then we'll keep it moving. All right, so before we get started, I just want to say thank you so much. I just hit 61,000 subscribers. Thank all of you. If you want to help me out, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. All of that stuff helps me out. Also, oh my God, there are so many things happening. If you don't know, I own a company called Lost Art Magic. Then we create or sell magic tricks from other creators and sometimes from ourselves. And some of the stuff we're working on right now, let me just tell you, it is going to be insane. There's things that I never thought I'm going to be that I would do, and we're doing it. We're getting it all set to go for you guys, and you're going to be hearing about it soon. I got something in my eyeball. Also, I'm going to be adding some different kinds of content. You know, I've been thinking a lot about it, and I like the tutorial thing, but I want to look at magic a little bit differently. I want to try some things out. It's going to be more fun than anything else. Not so much a tutorial, but just things that I enjoy thinking about and doing, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. So check that out. That's about it. If you want to support me, I told you what you can do before. You can go to lostartmagic.com. You can go to no1.shop and pick up your own cardinos and my cards, and you can have them for yourself, which would be dope. And other than that, let's just get into the tutorial, because it's been a while. I've been traveling, but I think it's time. Break into this tutorial with, of course, my cardios, the dead hands. Let me move this stuff out the way. I don't want you to see none of it. Also, check out this guy. He's so cute. If you were at my place in Vegas, you know what this is about. I'm just saying. We'll just leave him here because he's cute. All right, so this trick is not difficult. I'm going to show you a few different handlings, and I'm going to show you how to make sure that it fools people when you do it, okay? So the essence of this trick is you're switching. You're going to switch out a card, and they think they're pushing a card in, or they think you pushed a card in, but realistically, nope, you're a liar. So here's the original handling that I learned years ago. So you would have somebody pick a card. As they pick a card, you're gonna get a bottom break on the bottommost card. You just use your pinky and get a break, or you can do like a little cop thing and get a break that way. However you want to get a break on the back card. You're gonna do a swing cut, ask them to replace the card, and then you're just going to confirm it. So you're going to push the card forward, and as you push the card forward, you're going to drop the break on top of that card as you show them the selection and ask them if that's correct, which of course they say yes. You push it in, and now you fan the extra cards, so the card is second from the top here. You push the top card in, ask them to push the card in, and as they do this, this hand goes straight up to the face. And this is the difficult part. You do this, and that's it. And then they push the card in. You put that there for now. And then you can do whatever you want to show that the card is gone, and you have them look at you, and the card's obviously in your mouth. Now, there's some fun games you can do with this, like you could have them look at you and then put the cards right in their face and ask them if they see the card. So you could see them, like this is basically what they're seeing. They see a fan of cards, you go, is it in here? No, you give them some cards, you have them look for it. You could do a bunch of things with it to kind of I guess play with the moment. But I think anything more than a few seconds kind of edges on really making them feel dumb, and I don't think you should do that. So let's go through it again real quick. You have a card selected. You get a break on the bottom card. Swing cut. Ask them to replace the card. As you show them the card, you're going to deposit this card on top, like so. Risk kill. Show them the card. Place the extra card into the fan. Hand goes up to the face. I'm just going to leave it in the hat for now. Yeah. Okay. Hand goes up to the face. This comes back together. You can replace it however you want. Hand them some cards if you'd like. Tell them to look for their card. Do you see it here? No. And of course, when they look up, the card's in your mouth. Or if you have a little bit of sweat or grease, you can literally just slap it on your head and it'll stay too. So you could do that as well. Now here's another handling that is a little fun to do too. It's a little bit more direct because it always seemed weird to me that you would have somebody take a card out and then you would have them put it back, right? And then you show it to them again. Like the whole point of showing it to them is just to do this move. That's the whole point. So I do something a little bit different. I basically just dribble the cards like so. Actually, you know what? Let me make this a little wider. Yeah. So I just dribble the cards, and then with my thumb, I push down another card, and I just get ready. And I show them the card this way. I go right into the move. I just go right into it. I don't wait. So I do this, show them the card. Is that your card? They say yes, and I just go right into it from here. So you don't have to do the extra step of them replacing a card, and then you come back to here, you do this thing, right? Is this your card? Like, I just think this is stupid. I just think it's dumb. So that's what I do. I dribble. They say stop. I change my grip and I kind of hold it in this edge straddle grip here. My thumb just gently pushes down the bottom card, and I'm ready. And I show them the card, and I do the same exact thing. Dump off the card, show them, push it in, right? And it's basically exactly the same from there. Everything is exactly the same from there. So that's about it. Super quick tutorial. I'm going to be changing up, like I said, I'm going to be changing up some of my content. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you like the direction I'm going. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly.